All pregnant women should avoid alcohol. Despite what you may read on the internet, there is no safe level of alcohol consumption during pregnancy. Now, you may think this is a bit of a bummer when it comes to celebrations or relaxing weekends that usually go hand in hand with a delicious cocktail. Well, luckily I have you covered. In today's video, I'll show you my top 3 favourite pregnancy-friendly mocktails so that you never have to feel left out. Hi there, a really big and warm welcome from me, Melanie McGrice. I'm a specialist fertility and prenatal dietitian, and I'm on a mission to help parents-to-be navigate nutritional guidelines to give their baby the best possible start to life. So let's kick off with a classic mocktail margarita. Now to make this, simply combine 1 shot, which is about 30 milliliters of lime juice, 1 shot of grapefruit juice, 1 shot of orange juice, topped up with some sparkling lime flavoured water. Serve in a beautiful wide-rimmed margarita glass, rimmed with salt and garnished with a lime wedge. To make a frozen version, freeze the juice mixture into ice cubes and then blend before topping with the sparkling water. Lime, grapefruit and orange juice are all rich sources of vitamin C. Not only is vitamin C a powerful antioxidant, protecting you and your bub from damaging free radicals, but vitamin C also helps with non-heme iron absorption. Many women go into their pregnancies with low iron stores, so optimizing absorption where possible is definitely important. Now, next up, we have a ginger lemon mocktail. Now this one is super easy. Simply combine 2 shots of ginger juice, 2 shots of lemon juice and 2 shots of soda water. Shake it all up and serve over ice with a garnish of fresh ginger. Now this grown-up mocktail is great for any of you who are experiencing nausea in your pregnancy. Not only is ginger a well-known remedy for morning sickness, but the scent of lemon has also been found to reduce nausea. You may even want to enjoy this mocktail more regularly, especially in the early days when nausea is at its worst. And number 3 is our delicious Beet Tonic spritzer. To make this eye-popping mocktail, combine 1.5 shots of beetroot juice, half a shot of lemon juice and 1 shot of ginger beer, topped off with some soda water and some pasteurized honey to taste. I think the earthy combination of beetroot with the sweetness of ginger beer and honey makes this mocktail a winner. In addition to being delicious, some research has shown that the nitrates in beetroot juice may help lower blood pressure in pregnancy for women who are hypertensive. Basically, the nitrates are converted to nitric oxide, which prompts blood vessels to widen, helping to relieve high blood pressure, which can be very dangerous to both mum and bub. Now lastly, but certainly not least, we have a watermelon Mahito. Now this one is a little more indulgent. So you need to muddle 2 watermelon chunks with a shot of lime juice and 1 teaspoon of sugar in a glass. Stir in a handful of mint leaves, add some ice and top with dry ginger ale. Watermelon is a wonderfully hydrating fruit that is also packed with antioxidants such as lycopene and lutein. These carotenoids play a beneficial role in the prevention of preeclampsia and may also assist in the prevention of preterm birth and intrauterine growth restriction, but research is still ongoing. So, with these wonderful non-alcoholic cocktails on hand, you won't feel the slightest bit left out of the celebrations, and you can rest easy knowing that each of them also contribute to your nutrient intake. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel where I have plenty of videos on how to take care of yourself for a healthy pregnancy. And please share it with your friends as well. I'm sure they'll love it too. Thanks so much for joining me and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Enjoy this cocktail more. 1 shot of I'm sorry, I've lost my words there. Can you just mute me up a little bit, please? Thank you. Yeah, that'd be great.